Hello, what I have for you today is a Kaba Gemini S, which is a Kaba, so high pin count lock with 3 rows of pins, 5 pins on the, let's start at the left, 6 pins on the left, I believe 4 on the top and then 5 on the right, so 15 pins in total. It's a used lock. The feedback is a little bit unclear at times, but overall it's fine. It's not that crazy hard to pick, although not trivial, as is the case with Kaba locks in general. So let's try to pick it. Let's move this cable first. Alright. One's fine. 2 is binding. Click there. 3 is fine. Something is working on the other side, probably 3. Then 2 on the right again. 1, 2. Click out of 3. Click out of 4. 1. Small click out of 2. Click out of 3. 4 is fine. 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side, 1 is good. 2 is fine, 3 is fine. 4 is fine, 5 and 6 are fine. And go to the top row. Small click out of 4. That's 3, I think. Nothing on 2. Rotation on 1, I think. Let's see the left side. 1's good, 2 is fine. 3 is okay. 4 is okay. Let's try this at 6. Good click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, right side. 1 is okay. 2 is binding, small click. 3 is binding, small click. 4 is fine. 5 is fine. 1 left side, 1's good. 2 is okay. 3 is okay. 4 was binding a little. 5 is okay. Let's check the top then. Click out of 4. This is fine, this is fine. Click out of 1. Right side, 1 is good, 2 is good. 4 is binding. And there we go. So, yeah, it wasn't that bad. Let's see. What's inside then? Okay. All right. Is my follower good enough for this? I believe so. Quite a while since I have done that last time. That's not good. Maybe just a little bit. Okay. Something fell out. That was number one on the sheet. Okay. Let's go for left, top and right. So right number 2 was a blocker, I'm sure. This one was a little shorter. This one, yeah. This one was not the one. Probably this. That case. Okay. 2 fell out. 1. This is 1. Is that so? Yes. Alright then. 1 from the left. 3. 1 from the right. That was 4. Crap. That's 3. That's 5. There we have the 6. Okay then, where's the front and where the pins are? That's the front. Is that so? Yeah. Maybe let's do that from the back. Now the last pin from the left. That's the top. That's the right. Left. Top. And right. Okay. Normal looking Kaba housing right here. Let's arrange these drivers so we can compare them. All of these are T-pins, besides 0 lifts that are standard. Is that so? I think the top 2 and 3 aren't 0 lifts, but they are standards as well. We can check the theory. Let's get the 2. Yeah, that's not a 0 lift, although that's a standard. So yeah, some of the low lifts are standards. What's up with the car? Not much. Shocks for the drivers. And that's 5 for 15 holes. And it's okay. Alright, let's zoom in a little and see what's up. All the pins besides the lifts in these pins are 0 lifts in the side rows. This one and this one, they have standards on the left, but these pins need to be lifted. There looks like there's about 3 types of cuts. So the deepest, the middle, and the max lift without the cut. 3 in the top row as well. So yeah, there's that left row. There's the top row. All pins need to be lifted. There's the right with the blocker in position 2. And this is a 0 lift with the standard. Besides that, all of these pins are T-pins. So yeah, I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day and bye bye.